Go.
Welcome back to the Math Depot, Engineers. And today we're going to be teaching you how to advance your math with equations.
So the first step to solving this two-step equation is minusing 4 from both sides. Those will cancel out. Then we go to the 25. The reason we don't subtract 25 from this side is because that will make it a negative, and negatives are way harder to work with. Now we're copying down the rest of the equation, which is 21 plus 1x equals 8x. The next thing we're going to do is subtract the 1 from this, which cancels out, and to do it to this side as well, which equals 7x. So, and then we copy down 21. So what we do to this side, we have to do to this side. Now, to get rid of this 7, to get just x, we're going to have to divide it. Again, what we do to this side, we have to do to this side. So, what's 21 divided by 7? 3. And that's the answer. Go.
Hey Engineers, hope you learned something from Addie's video. Now it's time for mine. We'll be learning about how to combine like terms. So, as you can see, there are 3 different p's. No need to worry though, it is not that confusing. So first, you're going to add you can combine the negatives, negative 13 and negative p, which is equal to negative 14p. You got to write down the regular problem. Now you see that there's positive 4p and negative 14p. So you combine those two, which would get 10 negative p equals 150. Remember to write down your negatives. So then you divide by negative 10 on both sides to equal out the problem. So p is equal to negative 15. There are different ways to solve this problem. So, if you do it a different way, no need to worry.
Alright y'all, for my equation, we're going to be solving a distributive one. And the first step to solving this equation is distributing the 5 to everything inside of the parenthesis and the parenthesis only. So you're going to make the 5, and then 5 times 4 in equals 20 in. Bring down your minus sign. And then 5 times 4, obviously again, is going to be 20. Bring down the rest of the equation. Then, turns into a simple two-step equation. So plus 20, make sure you add 20 to a negative 60 so it stays even throughout the whole entire equation. This is going to bring you to negative 40. Equal sign in 20. Then you're going to divide both sides by 20 so you can isolate this. And that brings you to n equals negative 2.
Okay, so Morgan has finished her work, and you should never get algebra wrong if you always check it. So here's her work, so let's go ahead and erase that. And we got the answer of n equals negative 2. So if we replace n in the parentheses right here with negative 2, we need to add parentheses. So now what you would do is 5 parentheses negative 8 negative 4. So then what you would do is copy down the 5 in parentheses, which equals this is negative 12. Equals, and these both equal negative 60, which we need to bring down from the prior equation. Alright, so the next thing we need to do is 5 times negative 12, which equals negative 60. Negative 60 equals negative 60, which means this is the correct answer.
That concludes our video, engineers. Come back next week for a brand new video.